Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Let's summarize what we have learned so far. So AI is the new electricity. Just as electricity powered the 20th century, we are expecting artificial intelligence to transform innovations in the 21st century. Using artificial intelligence can 10x, I believe it could even 100x your productivity with the power of artificial intelligence agents. The power of prompt engineering, so structuring the right prompt makes a big difference when it comes to talking properly to these large language models. And then AI agents are taking off, and AI agents are not coming, they are already here. And with that, that's all I have for this course. I hope you enjoyed it. AI is the most important thing humanity has ever worked on. It is more profound than electricity, fire, or the internet. And I would love to connect with each and every one of you on LinkedIn. I included a link here for you. And if you'd like to check out my courses on Udemy, I have courses ranging from generative artificial intelligence, ChatGPT, Copilot, and AI agents. I also have courses when it comes to building these large language models. So more if you are an AI developer, for example. We also cover Microsoft Copilot courses here, and these 3 courses are best sellers as we speak right now. We also have another course covering the AI project lifecycle mastery if you are more into setting the strategy, program management kind of role. And with that, that's all I have for this course. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in future courses.